Martha Stewart's story begins in Nutley, New Jersey, a town brimming with the aroma of home-cooked meals and the vibrant colors of flourishing gardens. Born Martha Stewart, she was the second of 6 children in a Polish-American family. Her parents instilled in her the values of hard work and resourcefulness. From a young age, Martha displayed a natural inclination towards all things domestic. Growing up in suburban Connecticut, Martha was surrounded by the beauty of nature. She spent countless hours tending to her family's vegetable patch. Inside the family home, the kitchen was Martha's domain. She eagerly assisted her mother with cooking and baking. These early experiences instilled in Martha a deep appreciation for the simple pleasures of life. Faced with financial challenges, Martha launched a catering business from her home kitchen. Word of her delicious food and impeccable presentation quickly spread throughout her community. She transformed her passion for cooking into a thriving enterprise, catering events of all sizes. Martha's catering business was an expression of her creativity and her desire to bring people together through food. Her attention to detail and commitment to excellence quickly earned her a loyal clientele. As her catering business grew, Martha realized the importance of building a strong brand. She developed a distinct style that emphasized elegance, simplicity, and attention to detail. Despite her success in the catering business, Martha faced a significant financial setback due to a risky stock market investment. This experience taught her a valuable lesson about the importance of diversification and careful financial planning. Instead of dwelling on the loss, Martha used it as an opportunity to reevaluate her goals and strategize her next move. She recognized the need to diversify her income streams and explore new avenues for growth. This period of reflection led her to the idea of launching a magazine that would celebrate the art of living well. She saw a gap in the market for a publication that offered practical advice and inspiration for creating a beautiful and fulfilling home life. In 1990, Martha launched Martha Stewart Living, a magazine that quickly became a phenomenon. The publication offered practical advice, inspiring ideas, and stunning visuals. The success led to a multimedia empire, including TV shows, books, and home products. Martha's brand became synonymous with quality and elegance. She built a loyal following who admired her expertise. She spoke to their desires for a more beautiful home life. The launch marked a turning point in Martha's career. Martha Stewart's success can be attributed to her hard work, resourcefulness, and ability to turn her passions into a thriving business. From her early days in the garden and the kitchen to the launch of her multimedia empire, she demonstrated a remarkable ability to identify opportunities and create something extraordinary. Her unwavering commitment to quality and her meticulous attention to detail set her apart from the competition. Martha's resourcefulness was evident in her ability to make the most of what she had. This resourcefulness, combined with her entrepreneurial spirit, allowed her to build a successful business from the ground up. She understood the importance of maximizing resources and finding innovative ways to achieve her goals. Martha's success is also a testament to her resilience and her ability to overcome challenges. Martha Stewart's story is an inspiration to anyone who dreams of turning their passions into a successful career. Her journey from humble beginnings to building a multi-million-dollar empire demonstrates the power of hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Her story reminds us that success is not always a linear path, but a journey filled with challenges and opportunities for growth. Martha's legacy extends beyond her business accomplishments. She has inspired countless individuals to embrace the art of living well, to find joy in the everyday moments, and to create a life filled with beauty and purpose. Her influence can be seen in the way we approach cooking, gardening, entertaining, and creating a beautiful home environment. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to be inspired by more stories like this.